The MLC program has a national reputation as being one of the best programs of its kind. And to me, it not only met those expectations, it exceeded them. The opportunity to go out and practice what we are taught a few minutes beforehand has been invaluable. It is well worth the money, it is well worth the time, and I think I've learned lessons here that I will use for many, many years to come.
The professors and the speakers were engaging, knowledgeable, and leaders in their industry, so you really couldn't do better than this particular program. And I have to say that it is worth every single penny and the time that I've spent to be here.
I thought that I was doing this course just to get my credits and that I would be really bored and that I would not learn anything. The complete opposite has occurred. This has been the most fantastic course I've ever taken. I'm not even joking.
I was very surprised and also really impressed with how multifaceted it was. Had so many other diverse personalities and people with many different types of backgrounds, but I did find it extremely valuable as somebody who didn't have a lot of legal background or knowledge. I felt like I was given some really valuable tools.
It's a beautiful setting. Every day we get to go outside and overlook the Pacific Ocean. It's been nothing but beautiful days here. It's been great, connecting with people outside of my field. There's a lot of interactive processes that are not just lecture that allow us to experience real-world application of the things we're learning in the classroom. So it's been really, really great to be able to apply what we've learned in the classroom and put it into practice.